When it takes 2 days to recover from a workout or your energy drains by mid-afternoon, you're witnessing a microscopic energy failure in real time. Every cell in your body relies on a coenzyme called NAD+ to function. It acts as the non-negotiable catalyst that allows your mitochondria to convert the food you eat into usable cellular energy. This graph tracks natural human NAD+ levels. You start with robust reserves, but approaching middle age, that supply plummets by half. Operating with this 50% deficit starves your mitochondria, causing the physical lethargy, slowed recovery, and daily DNA degradation we accept as normal aging. To get even a fraction of these precursors from food, you'd need to consume impractical amounts of specific raw nutrients every day. Because diet alone cannot bridge that massive 50% gap, targeted supplementation becomes a biological requirement for sustained vitality. Recognizing the need to boost your NAD+ levels is the easy part. But trying to navigate the aggressive longevity market to find a solution can quickly become overwhelming. Right now, 4 main pathways dominate the market: standard over-the-counter niacin, trendy NMN powders, patented Niacin, also known as NR, and high-end clinic IV drips. Every single one of these options claims to fight aging, yet they use vastly different mechanisms, offer wildly different absorption rates, and carry completely different price tags. We are going to objectively evaluate the biochemical efficiency of each option. By the end of this breakdown, you'll know exactly where you should actually invest your money. Selecting an ineffective protocol wastes your budget and leaves your body reliant on slow, inefficient metabolic pathways that fail to reach your cells. We will run these protocols through an evaluation matrix, looking at cellular absorption, mechanism, primary benefit, and drawbacks. First is standard niacin. It achieves baseline nutritional wellness cheaply, but uses an inefficient metabolic pathway, frequently causing an uncomfortable red skin flush. That brings us to NMN, a trendy supplement offering moderate metabolic health. However, NMN hits a biological roadblock. Structurally, the molecule is too large to enter cells directly, requiring extracellular breakdown. Unable to cross the cell membrane intact, your body spends time and energy breaking NMN down into smaller components before it can synthesize NAD+. While NMN and standard niacin slightly elevate levels, their structural and metabolic roadblocks prevent them from being optimal tools for advanced cellular repair. To achieve true cellular regeneration, we must look at the premium tier, methods specifically engineered to bypass extracellular roadblocks entirely. Returning to the matrix, Niacin is sized to pass directly through the cell wall and immediately convert into NAD+, without causing any skin flush. Niacin directly stimulates new mitochondria and activates sirtuins to repair DNA damage. However, it demands strict daily consistency. Finally, IV therapy infuses the coenzyme directly into the bloodstream, achieving peak mitochondrial support and immediate saturation. The trade-off for speed is massive. It requires scheduling a clinic visit, sitting for a needle insertion, and paying dramatically higher upfront costs. Biology dictates cost. Approaching 100% cellular absorption means paying a high price, either through disciplined daily patience or significant upfront cash. We have to address the false promises of supplement marketing. Look at this 30-day energy chart. A premium NAD+ booster is not a pre-workout stimulant. It will not cause a massive spike in energy, and it will not make you feel 20 years younger overnight. During the first 2 weeks of a Niacin protocol, the intracellular accumulation is slow. You will only notice a subtle shift in your baseline energy. Waking up feels slightly easier, and afternoon brain fog begins to lift. It takes 1 to 3 months for the accumulated NAD+ to reach the threshold required for deep repair. This is when active adults notice improved physical resilience and faster tissue recovery after strenuous activity. The heavy lifting of cellular regeneration happens invisibly, deep beneath the surface, slowly fortifying your biology over time. Niacin is effective precisely because it builds a permanent biological foundation, instead of providing a temporary energetic illusion. Choosing the right protocol requires honestly matching your lifestyle, budget, and physical goals to the biological realities we just reviewed. We can map this directly on a decision tree. If your primary goal is simply hitting basic nutritional targets on a tight budget, take standard niacin. If you are a high-performance athlete, recovering from severe depletion, or have the budget to demand instant systemic recovery, book an NAD plus IV therapy session. If you are a pragmatic optimizer dealing with midlife lethargy, someone who wants sustained longevity and deep cellular repair from the convenience of home, your answer is Niacin. It serves as the ultimate middle path. You get clinical-grade, highly efficient absorption without the thousands of dollars in IV costs, provided you have the patience to let the biology compound. Investing in your longevity works best when you match the specific biochemical tool to your actual biological deficit.